If you're experiencing payout errors with Stripe in your Shopify store, it is important to address the security settings to ensure smooth transactions. Follow these steps to resolve the issues effectively. Step 1. Review your Stripe account. Log into your Stripe account and check for any notifications or alerts regarding your payouts. Ensure that all required information is complete and up to date. Step 2. Check Shopify payment settings. Access your Shopify admin panel and navigate to the payment settings. Verify that your Stripe account is properly connected and that all necessary permissions are granted. Step 3. Update security settings. In your Stripe account, go to the security settings section. Review and update any outdated security measures such as two-factor authentication or API keys to enhance the security of your account. Step 4. Verify business information. Ensure that your business information in both Shopify and Stripe matches exactly. Discrepancies in business name, address, or tax information can lead to payout errors. Step 5. Contact support. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve payout errors and ensure that your Shopify store operates smoothly with Stripe.